Hello everyone, welcome again on Tips Engineer Zone. We are going to learn battery energy storage system. Okay, we are going to discuss case study upon battery energy storage systems. Okay, and this is the BESS overview and global energy context. Okay, and growing global energy demand is about rising electricity demands and challenges of renewable energy integrations, okay, and the role of battery energy storage. And battery energy storage system store excess renewable power and supply it during shortage and stabilizing the grids, okay, and importance for future power systems. BESS supports grid reliability, utility cache decarbonization, and efficient use of distributed energy resources. And rising electricity demand. Global electricity demand is rising due to the industrialization, digital growth, and urban and expansion increasing energy consumption. And need for grid connected BESS. Challenges of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind have fluctuating outputs, okay, and causing unstable energy flow in the grids. So, role of batteries or storage. BESS store surplus energy and release it when it needed, and ensuring uninterrupted power and grid stability and benefits of grid and environment. BESS supports load balancing, reduce fossil fuel reliance, and improve resilience and enables cleaner energy. And benefits of BESS. What is the benefits of BESS, battery energy storage systems? This is the efficient renewable energy uses, and BESS capture excessive renewable energy and release it during peak demands and improving energy efficiency. Okay, and cost effective developments. Declining capital cost make BESS financially accessible for large scale energy storage system and project. And compact and flexible design. BESS require minimal land and its modular setups uh, allow installation in diverse location and climates. Okay, and next one is the grid stability and economic benefit. BESS provide fast responses for grid frequency regulation and reduce reliance on conventional power plants. And technical elements and challenges of BESS. Challenges of BESS is the raw material market volatility. Market fluctuation impact the cost and availability of lithium, cobalt, and nickel, crucial for batteries. And battery lifespan concern. Battery degradation occur due to cycling, temperature changes, and uh, change patterns over the times. And safety risks. Safety risks is the thermal runaway and other hazardous process safety risks, especially in large scale batteries installation. Recycling and regulations. Under development, recycling infrastructures and varying policies hinder effective waste management and developments. And key components of BESS. Okay, key component is the battery system or view. The battery energy store uses of lithium iron chemistries like LFP and NMC for safety and performance, and power conversion system like the PCS converter like AC to DC and vice versa, enabling efficient challenging, charging and discharging in various grid and modes. And energy management system, EMS monitors and controls the system, optimizing performance through primary and secondary control layers. And next one is the supporting infrastructure. Supporting infrastructure like the transformer, switchgear, auxiliary component ensure safe and robust operation of BESS. Okay, and functional capabilities of BESS. Grid function of BESS is the voltage and frequency regulations. Okay, BESS help regulate voltage and frequency to maintain power quality within acceptable limits. And ancillary services, BESS provides a spanning service and back start capabilities for quick grid recovery from disturbance and peak load management. Okay, grid function of BESS is the peak load management. Store energy is released during high demand period to reduce a strain on grid infrastructure and renewable generation smoothing. Be double as a smooth fluctuation from solar and wind resources for a stable energy supply. And case study TCE 100 megawatt and 600 megawatt hour BESS projects. Project overview and specifications. Okay, so product project overview is the battery energy storage system is the 100 megawatt and 600 megawatt hour BS support energy uh, orbitals with 6-hour backup at 0.15 C rates. Okay, and hybrid renewable integration, the system integrates solar and wind resources to provide continuous power delivery around the clock. Okay, around the clock. And design engineering a specification designed for 50 degrees Celsius ambient temperature and correct connection at 220 kV substation with robust power electronics. Okay, and installation detail and system performance. System component overview. The installers include 1738 battery racks and 32 PCS unit and 60 inverter transformer at the beginning of life and augmentation provision. The provision for future expansion include an additional 616 racks, 12 PCS unit, and 6 inverter transformer to addressing aging. Okay, and efficiency and performance. The system achieve a round trip efficiency of 19.5% and indicating highly efficient design and component selections and compact footprint and safety, occupying 6 acres. The system features cooling, safety measures, and operational redundancy of reliability. Okay, now concluding this PPTs, role of BESS in future energy storage. So, grid stability and reliability. Role of BESS. What is the role of BES in future energy systems? Role of um, BES in future energy system is a grid stability. Second one is the renewable energy integration and enhanced grid resilience and decarbonization and sustainabilities. Because of grid stability and reliability, BS provide flexible on-demand power that support peak and off peak grid requirements, ensuring stability and reliability. Renewable energy integration, BESS changes during renewable energy abundances and discharges during shortfalls. Okay, and bridging solar and wind generation gap. And enhanced grid resilience means battery energy storage deliver service that improve grid resilience, operational reliability in evolving energy systems. Okay, thank you very much for this BESS. We have learned about the specification, case studies, and grid function of BESS. Okay, and function and capabilities of BESS and key component of BESS. BESS key component is the inverters, energy management systems, batteries, and supporting infrastructures. So thank you very much. If you want to join BESS course, visit www.tipsengineerzone.in to comprehensive and details videos, courses with certifications. Okay, if you want to join electrical engineering courses, visit our Tips in a Zone website. Okay, website is the www.tipsinzone.in. We will get you will get the lots of energy related courses like batteries, green hydrogens, and solar, wind. Okay, that's all. Thank you.